Today is February 2nd, and we have a winter storm event coming in later tonight. I live up there in the vicinity of that purple dot on the map, which is considered to be extreme impacts. And they're forecasting up to a half an inch of freezing rain, which could affect power lines. That's definitely going to affect our roads. So with the cows, I've got some preparations I need to make. So I've got a 300-gallon water tank that I keep in the back, and I just kind of keep it stored out of the way during most of the year. And then when we get to weather events like this, I'd like to drag it out, set it up over close to the house so that I can connect the water hose to it and also run electrical power to it so that I can set up the tank water heater. That way the cows will have water and I can make sure that it stays liquid and doesn't freeze. And so that's going to be my task today, to try to stay ahead of this winter storm. We also have some electric space heaters that I'm going to pull out. It's nice to have those and kind of strategically place them in some of the rooms. We have a gas fireplace, but it only heats one side of the house. So those are nice to have. I want to pull those out and make sure that they're still functional. Yeah, it's been about a year since I've turned them on, so I want to make sure those are good to go. I'm going to get the generator. I have like a 6,300 watt little Troy-Bilt roll-around generator. If we need to, I'll use that to power the electric space heaters and maybe a few other appliances. But just a few things I need to do to get ahead of this weather event. As you can see there on the screen, we're all in the pink, which is considered a winter storm warning. Last February we had a major winter weather event. This one's not going to be as bad, but based on what they were predicting in my local vicinity for extreme impact, I am concerned about the ice, the freezing rain, and it impacting the power lines. Getting these two space heaters, and then here's my tank heater.
They're not interested in the water. They see all that. I see that little patch of green grass right there. That's what they're going after. Cows have plenty of hay. All the hay rings have hay in them. This one there is, that one there is about halfway finished. It's not quite ready to be replaced, and I have another one over here that will be ready to be replaced soon. That one there. But this should be enough hay to get the cows through this little cold snap, and if not, I've got 4 bales staged ready for them if need. This is my Troy built 6200 watt generator. Like I said earlier, I bought it around 2010 and have used it a few times. So what I want to do right now is just do a test run, make sure that it runs, make sure that it's generating power, and I also want to test out these space heaters that I pulled out of storage. Alright, it works, functions, everything functions well. I turned off the fuel and I'm going to let it run out of fuel now. These have been sitting in storage, like I said, for quite a while. I don't think we even got them out last February during the 2021 Texas winter storm, but these work. As you can see, the generator can power both of them at the same time if we need them. So it was a nice test. We're ready to go.